gotta get help. How? We're in the middle of nowhere.
What happened up there? How could you do that?
What? Would you rather us die?
I just want to go home. What even was that thing? I think it was a bear or something.
No, more like a goat.
No, it was definitely a wolf.
You know what that is, right?
Don't say it.
Wait, are you guys talking about...
Stop it, I'm serious.
Well, it's the only thing that makes sense.
He who walks on all fours.
Well, I'm glad I never made eye contact.
Doesn't matter if you did. And change form.
It's nighttime, nobody whistle.
That was pretty good.
That wasn't me.